Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Summit Striker in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and the face is actually very simple in this one since he's just wearing some goggles and a mask. So we're going to start out with the goggles. We're going to draw in one line on top, a slight curve, so that's going to be the top of his goggles. And then from there, right in the middle, I'm going to draw in two lines coming down. And then go to the side here, drawing the same line. And then once we have that, we're going to curve this one down on each side. And just go back up to the side. So this is going to be symmetrical. So, alright, so once you have the glasses, we're going to draw in the face shape. So on the side here, we're just gonna go curve all the way down. One side and then the other side. And then we're just gonna close it off with a straight line. Alright, and then for the inside detail here, you can come up here first and just draw one line. And I know that kind of looks like his lip, but it's not. And then from there, we're gonna draw in another line. So just kind of follow along on the edge. Alright, and then let's finish up some areas on the top first. So now we're going to go up slightly. Just kind of slant inwards. And this is going to be the opening of the hoodie, so we're going to curve across. Alright, and then once we have that, come to this point here. We're going to extend it down. So now we're drawing the inside of the hoodie. And from those 2 points, we're just gonna curve it all the way around. Alright, and then on the bottom here, we're just gonna continue with that. So this is gonna be the outside of the hoodie. And then just go all the way up. I know it's kind of weird working bottom to up, but it's kind of easier this way. So we're just gonna go in the same direction as this, but just going a little bit longer. And then now from the top here, we can draw in just one line like that and just kind of connect everything. Okay, and then for the details here, just kind of have one stripe here. And then let's add in a little bit of detail in here. I'm just gonna draw one line across. And then on the bottom here, you can start in the middle. Just gonna draw in one line going down. And then just a little bit of detail here. I'm just gonna draw in two lines. And probably the same detail up here. So just kind of continue with that line. Just go up. Alright, so this bar is a little bit off center, but that's okay. Okay, so then from here, I'm just gonna draw in two lines here for his neck. This is going to be pretty dark, so we might not even see that. So that's going to be his head. So let's move on to the shoulders. So on the shoulders on the side, we're just going to go out. And then we're going to curve it in all the way to his waist. So we're going to pinch it in and just kind of come back out. Okay, and then we're going to come in, slight curve. Just leave a little bit of space right in the middle, and then we'll just draw in a little angle like this. And let's go ahead and draw in the he's got a big strap right across his shoulders. So we're gonna draw one line like this, and then we're gonna draw in the other one. So we're just following it along. And then for his details, we can add in little bar here. I know there's a bucket here, buckle here. So once you have this square right here, I'm just gonna draw a little bit of a rectangle in here. Okay, and let's add in, I'm gonna add in, let's see, it's got two lines. I'm just gonna add in one, just for the detail. So just one line across. Okay, and then on the middle here, I'm gonna come down. This is gonna be for his little jacket. So just meet up down here. And let's see, he's got a little pocket. So I'm just adding a little bit more detail. So one here, and then I'm gonna draw one more, and this one's gonna be, the top part's gonna be hidden behind the belt. So I'm just gonna go right under there. And then lastly, it's got one pocket here. Again, it's hidden underneath the belt. So let's draw two lines like this, and then we're just gonna finish that angle off. And then for the flap, I'm just gonna draw a little angle, V. Alright, so I know there's more detail, but let's move on to the arms first. I don't want to add too much detail to the center part. Alright, so here's the armpit area. Shoulder, we're just gonna come down, angle, inside here, down, and just angle. And for his elbow here, it's just we're gonna close it off, and we're gonna add one section, a little block. And let's just go ahead and add some details to that. Alright, and then his lower arm is pretty simple. We're gonna come out, pinch it in, so it's a little bit skinnier. It's got tight clothing. Close it off. And then for his fist, here's his thumb, just a little hook. Back of the fist, come down, just kind of round it off a little bit and just close up. Alright, and okay, let's add in the detail here. So it's pretty easy. We're just gonna draw one line across and then another line about halfway through, and then we're just gonna go back all the way up. Alright, so let's draw in the other side. It's gonna be pretty much the same. So here's the armpit, come across, shoulders coming down, in, close it off, and then the elbow area, just one little rectangle. And again, I'm gonna add in two lines. And then lower arm, same thing here, flare out. So use the other side for reference. Pinch in and just close it off. And then same thing for the fist, a little hook. Back of the fist, curl, close it. And then same detail here, I'm gonna come across and then go back halfway and just curve it up. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool looking jacket. Alright, so let's move on down to his legs. So we're gonna come down in the middle, draw one line, go back to the middle, draw another line, some added detail in the creasing, and then come back up here. His leg coming down, angle, inside, angle again, and then his knee pad, we're just gonna give it a slight angle going back up. And let's just go ahead and draw in this. He's got a pretty big knee pad, so we're gonna draw a little bit of bracket on the side and the same angle on the bottom. And alright, let's add in two lines for the details. Alright, so the other side is gonna be pretty much the same, except it's got a little extra strap. So on the side here, come down, angle, again use the other side for reference, down, angle, and then we're gonna come back up, knee pad coming down, and same thing here on the bottom. And then let's add in two lines again. Alright, so now let's draw in the lower leg. So lower leg is, we're gonna flare out and then just come back in and just close it off first. And then now for his boot, it's gonna be a little bit tighter, so we're gonna start on the inside here. Just give a little bit of space inside and come down, so it's very skinny. Close it off, and then it's got those big boots, so we're gonna come down, curve down, and this side's gonna curve out a little bit more. Close it off, and let's add in some tracks. So same thing here, I'm just gonna add two little rectangles inside. Alright, so let's draw on the other side before we draw in the detail. So same thing here. Flare out, come back in and close it off. and then come in slightly, come down, close it, and then same thing on the shoe here, come down, come on more on this side, and same detail on this side. So 2 little rectangles. Okay, and then for his laces, we can draw in 2 lines like this first. Alright, and then we're gonna start on one side. We're gonna just kind of zigzag. Just go all the way down. And then once you have that side, start on this side, and then we're gonna zigzag this way. Right, so it's one easy way, very easy and quick way of doing laces. So again, 2 lines. Pick a point here, zigzag back and forth. And then go on the other side. Now zigzag. Alright, and let's see, let's finish up some details up here. He's got one strap on this leg, and he's got a little pouch here, so I'm just gonna draw a little rectangle, and then just a little angle here for the flap. And for the details here, let's see, he's got these are smaller details, so I'm just gonna draw 2 lines here. So this is gonna be his orange stripe. So same thing on this side. So just make sure you draw behind the strap. And then one more stripe here. So here's the center, come off to the side. Just draw 2 lines. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But if you want to add in some little detail right here, let's just simplify it. So it's got some kind of stripes going down here. So right across, we can just draw in 1 line like this first. And then we'll just go out to the side. Alright, and then once you have that, we're just gonna draw in pretty much the same thing. So this is gonna be white. And then on the inside, I'm just gonna draw 1 line like this and it's gonna go out. So this part's gonna be white as well. And that is it for this Summit Striker in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.